Hello students, in continuation, let's see atomic physics lecture 6, spectral series of hydrogen atom, right? We had discussed the rest things before. Students, according to Bohr's, when atom takes a transition from higher energy level to lower energy level, we have calculated those things. It emits a photon, right? When atom makes a transition from higher energy level to lower energy level, right? It emits a photon. And at what energy? With the energy equal to energy difference between the initial and the final level. किस लेवल से किस लेवल तक ये जंप कर रहा है, उसी के हिसाब से ही उतना ही एनर्जी पे फोटोन एमिट होता है. Student, let EI is the initial energy of the atom and EF is the final energy. ठीक है. तो transition, the photon energy, तो this expression we learned last class, right? H nu is frequency, you know, and frequency you already know, that is wave velocity. In sound I had told this thing, if this is lambda, the wave velocity is v, time period is t, then v is equal to lambda by t, and 1 by t is frequency, so that can be lambda into nu. 1 by t is frequency, frequency is nu, so v is equal to lambda nu. Okay students, so in place of frequency I can write v by lambda. So this c is velocity of light, because photon is a light packet of energy. So hc by lambda, understood how this expression came? And that is equal to how much? Initial energy minus final energy, ei minus ef. Why? Because energy is released. So if we'll solve this one, h cancel, then c by lambda, and here frequency is there, so that is frequency is equal to 1 by lambda, right? And that is equal to, putting Rydberg's constant, so that is r is equal to 1 by n1 square minus 1 by Reynolds 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square into z square, atomic number. This is the expression how to calculate what is the wavelength and the frequency. Okay. So on this basis, that means student here specifically will study about hydrogen spectral atom. इसका मतलब क्या है कि जब हाइड्रोजन की एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, हाइड्रोजन तो एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन है, so when the electron in a hydrogen atom jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, the difference of the energies of the two energy levels is emitted as a radiation of particular wavelength. Understanding na? And that is known as spectral line. Okay? And spectral lines of different wavelengths are obtained for transition of electron between two different energy levels, which are found for all number of spectral series. So हर एक स्पेक्ट्रल सीरीज का नाम देके हम सबका वेवलेंथ निकालेंगे और सबको कंपेयर भी करेंगे. ठीक है. Friends, see here, emission of spectral lines corresponding to the transition electron from higher means from infinity to, I am saying about n is equal to 2, to the first energy level. First energy level means n how much? 1 na? Students, getting or not? I am saying about from infinity to 1, from 7 to 1, 6 to 1, 5 to 1, 4 to 1, 3 to 1, 2 to 1, all emission of spectral lines, right? To which level? First level, energy level, ground level, right? So that constitute which series? Lyman series. Getting na students? Getting or not? Achha. Next, emission of spectral line from corresponding from 3. Here see, starting from 3 na, 3 to 2, 4 to 2, 5 to 2, 6 to 2, and the infinity to 2. So this is which series? Balmer series. Yes or no? Students getting na? Next, if I will take from which, next is which series? Paschen series, net bracket series, net prefund series. So this series we have to understand now gradually, right? All draw the diagram. Right? Now see, student, if I'll make a general case, if I'll make a generalized case, then the label means N1. You see this formula, there was N1, na? Which label? from which level? N1 is lower and N2 is upper levels, right? So N1 is N1 and let this is N2, correct? And this is name of the series, right? Name of the series. In brief, I am saying these things, underline. So let first case, it is coming to ground state. That means N1 is equal to 1. Na? It is coming from which state? 2, 3, 4 up to which state? Infinity. Na? So that spectral line is known as what, students? What is the name of the series? Narosri? What is the name of the series? Jismita, what is the name of the series? Lemon series. Next is we have to come to second orbit. Second to second though not possible. Na? It will come from 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. This is known as which series? Second series?
Balmer series.
Balmer series, right? That is Balmer series. Next, I want to come to third. The electron is coming to the third orbit from 4, 5, 6, like that up from infinity. Is known as which series? Paschen series. Is known as which series? Here are they getting or not? Paschen series.
Yes.
Next, I want to come. Next, the electron wants to come to fourth orbit from 5, 6, 7, like that infinity. This is known as which series? Bracket. Getting a little bit idea we're getting or not? Emission lines, these total all emission lines is known as what? Series. Lemon series, Balmer series, Paschen series, bracket series, and fifth orbit. Coming from fifth means to 6, 7, 8, like that from infinity. All series is known as what? P-Fund series. Getting na, students? Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
That is known as what? P-Fund series, right? Next, 6. 6 means that is not in the quotes, but 7, 8 up to infinity. So that is known as what? Humphrey. Got a little bit idea about this now, students? You got? This is what we learned. Spectral series of hydrogen atom. Simple thing. The hydrogen, the electron of the hydrogen atom jumps from every orbit to 1, every orbit to 2, every orbit to 3, every orbit to 4. So what are the spectral series? Those are named by Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, bracket series, and P-Fund series. Up to this all understood or not? Just say me.